Good morning, my friend. Nurse Mary here, helping you on your journey to better health. And today we're going to talk about parasites, those little critters that are unwelcome in our bodies. So why do we need to worry about detoxing and cleansing out the parasites in our body? Well, they're very harmful organisms that can make holes in our digestive system. They can also release bacteria and fungus into our body as they deteriorate or multiply, and so we need to get rid of them. It's not always easy. We can pick them up if we have pets, if we work in our garden, eating food that is raw, even if it's healthy food, like salads and things. So there's just a lot of ways to pick them up. There's a lot of simple things we can do in our life to detox the parasites, and probably there's age-old things that people used to have as part of their everyday diet. So we're going to talk about a few herbs today and some products that'll help you detox those parasites. So we have set up a detox, and I'm going to put the information about that right over here. And the first product is in our step one. We have two products that we want you to try. And the Endoc Detox, not only is it going to help you get rid of parasites, but it also helps the endocrine system. So you'll feel a little energy. Some people feel like they lose a few pounds when they first start the Endoc Detox. And so then it's got different herbs in it. You can read all about those. We'll make sure and put a link below. And the other half of this detox of step one is black walnut. You know, black walnut, not only is it native to all over America, but not only is it great for parasites, but it actually helps the body and the skin and the teeth. So it's just a very gentle detox. So that's part of why I love starting this way. So you can do your detox one of two ways. If you want to have a fast, more aggressive detox, you can take both of these, and we have the instructions below, at the same time, or you can take them in sequence. So you would do this bottle till, you would do one bottle till it's gone, and then you would go to the next bottle. And then the second half of our parasite detox, so step two of your parasite detox, take these two products in step two of our parasite cleanse kit. And those are virus and parasite, and Anamu. And just like it says, that virus and parasite is a collection of herbs that's going to help you get rid of parasites, but it's also going to help you get rid of some of the viruses and funguses and things like that that come along with it. And Anamu, we love to use Anamu like it's a natural antibiotic. Again, it's going to help with parasites, but it's also going to help kick funguses and microbial infections. And often when you're detoxing from parasites, all that crud that they die off has to exit the body at once. And so that can become somewhat infectious. So this detox you can do immediately following step one. You can take 3 weeks to a month off between step one and step two. And the other thing that as those parasites die off, you want to get them and all of their toxins out of your body as quickly as possible. So you want to make sure you're drinking lots of water, eat 2 ounces a day of raw pumpkin seeds, and then you also want to use whatever it takes to keep yourself from getting constipated, and one of those is magnesium citrate. So after your parasite cleanse, it's important to rebuild your body. We have a mineral supplement that will not only build your minerals, but it also helps you detox heavy metals. So that's something else that happens when you get, parasites and you just want to do a whole cleanse. And so we've put links to some other products below. There's also diatomaceous earth, which you can use for the whole family and for pets. So we've got a pretty extensive article for you and some other helpful information. But anyways, you can click out to the link and go start your Parasite Detox Kit Step 1 right away today. Thank you, and I hope this helps you in your day. Until next time, Be well.